I'm Josh Wells, Executive Director, and behind me is B-29 Doc, one of only two flying B-29 Superfortresses remaining in the world.
First pictures of the B-29 Superfortress, the biggest, fastest bombing plane in the world. Dwarfing the mighty Fortress and Liberator to medium bomber status, the 8,800 horsepower Superfortress is a global weapon for global warfare.
AOPA keeps flying safe, accessible, and fun by protecting your freedom to fly. We are the most trusted one-stop resource for all things related to general aviation. Join AOPA today. Thanks to Lightspeed for sponsoring this video. Click below to learn more about the Lightspeed Delta Zulu.
B-29 Doc is one of 1,644 B-29s built by the Boeing Company in Wichita, Kansas during World War II. The United States and Boeing built just under 4,000 across 4 different locations. Wichita built the most. Doc's one of only 2 B-29s that are still airworthy and flying today. Doc was built in 1944 and delivered to the Army Air Corps in 1945, so it came towards the end of the war. Doc was then reassigned at the end of the war to be a trainer. It served most of its life from 1951 to 1956 in upstate New York at Griffiths Air Force Base as part of a radar calibration squadron. That squadron was dubbed the Snow White Squadron, so it was Snow White, the Seven Dwarves and the Wicked Witch, and that's where Doc gets its name. Doc was part of a group of airplanes that was given to the United States Navy in 1956, retired to the China Lake Naval Station in the Mojave Desert, where it sat for 4 decades. It was originally going to be a missile target, but it was towed off to the side of the range and it was saved. It was used as a wayfinder where it sat for 40 plus years when a guy named Tony Mazzolini found it, rescued it, towed it off the desert floor. In 2000, it came back to Wichita, Kansas, where it was built on 7 flatbed trailers to be restored. A group of heroes and volunteers spent 16 years and 450,000 volunteer hours painstakingly restoring and putting the airplane back together to what you see today. Anytime we can bring a B-29 Superfortress out to remote areas of the country, it allows people to get up close and personal with history. We join together with other airplanes, P-51 Mustang gunfighter, and other warbirds from the same time period to make history come alive. We want people to get up close and personal with history. We can all see airplanes in museums and read about them in books, but when you actually come out with an airplane that you can crawl inside, touch and feel and take a ride on, it really makes that history jump off the page and come alive. And our mission is to honor the brave young men and women who designed, built, and flew these airplanes during World War II and beyond, and the ones that continue to serve to protect our country today at home and abroad. That's really our mission, is to make sure we tell those stories and inspire the next generation of aviators and history lovers.